Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the real values of x that satisfy this exponential equation. Now, to solve this problem, let the cube root of 4 plus root 15 be equal to u, while the cube root of 4 minus root 15 is equal to v. Now, with these two substitutions, we can write the original equation as u to the power x plus v to the power x is equal to 8. Now let us multiply u and v. We have the cube root of 4 plus root 15 times 4 minus root 15. Now these two numbers are conjugates. And you know that when we multiply two conjugates, we get the difference of two squares. So this is equal to the cube root of 4 squared, which is 16, minus root 15 squared, which is 15. Now 16 minus 15 is equal to 1, and the cube root of 1 is equal to 1. So we have that u times v is equal to 1. Now from the second equation, we can get an expression for v, because when we divide both sides of this equation by u, we have that v is equal to 1 over u. Now what we are going to do is that we will substitute 1 over u for v in this first equation. When we do that, we have u to the power x plus 1 over u to the power x is equal to 8. Now from here we have u to the power x plus 1 to any power is equal to 1. Then we have u to the power x. Now this is equal to 8. To get rid of this fraction, let us multiply through this equation by u to the power x. When we do that, we have u to the power x squared plus 1 is equal to 8 times u to the power x. Now rearranging this equation, we have u to the power x squared minus 8u to the power x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in u to the power x. And of course, to solve this quadratic equation, let us use the quadratic formula. We have that u to the power x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. Now substituting into the formula, we have that u to the power x is equal to minus 8, that is 8, plus or minus the square root of minus 8 squared, which is 64, minus 4 times 1 times 1, which is equal to 4, divided by 2 times 1, which is 2. Now we have that u to the power x is equal to 8 plus or minus the square root of 64 minus 4 is 60 divided by 2. Now 60 is 4 times 15. So we have that u to the power x is equal to 8 plus or minus the square root of 4 times 15 divided by 2. U to the power x is equal to 8 plus or minus the square root of 4 is 2. So we have 2 times root 15 divided by 2. Now, of course, from here we have that u to the power x is equal to 2 divided by 8 is 4, plus or minus 2 divided by 2 is 1, root 15. So we have two values for u to the power x. We have 4 plus root 15, or 4 minus root 15. Now, in the first case, we have that u to the power x is equal to 4 plus root 15. But let us remember that u to the power x is exactly what we have in this first term. That is the cube root of 4 plus root 15 to the power x, which we can write as 4 plus root 15 to the power x divided by 3. Now this is equal to 4 plus root 15, of course, to the power 1. When we compare both sides of this equation, it is very easy to see that x over 3 is equal to 1 because we have the same base on both sides of the equation. And of course, from here, when we multiply both sides of this equation by 3, we have that x is equal to 3. And in the second case, we have that u to the power x is equal to 4 minus root 15. But of course, you know that 4 minus root 15 is equal to 1 over 4 plus root 15. So we have that u to the power x is equal to 4 plus root 15 to the power minus 1. Once more, this is exactly what we have here, which we can write as 4 plus root 15 to the power x over 3. This is equal to 4 plus root 15 to the power minus 1. We have the same base on both sides of the equation, so we can now equate the exponents. We have that x over 3 is equal to minus 1. And of course, when we multiply both sides of this equation by 3, we have that x is equal to minus 3. So we have two values for x. We have that x is equal to 3 or minus 3. Now let us check these two values of x. When x is equal to 3, then we have the cube root of 4 plus root 15 to the power 3 plus the cube root of 4 minus root 15 to the power 3. Of course, you know that this is going to take care of that, and this is going to take care of that, leaving us with 4 plus root 15 plus 4 minus root 15 plus root 15 minus root 15 is equal to 0, and 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. And when x is equal to minus 3, then we have 4 plus root 15 to the power minus 3 over 3 plus 4 minus root 15 to the power minus 3 divided by 3. Now from here we have 4 plus root 15 to the power minus 1 plus 4 minus root 15 to the power minus 1. We have 1 over 4 plus root 15 plus 1 over 4 minus root 15. And when we rationalize this, we have 4 minus root 15. When we rationalize this, we have 4 plus root 15. Once more, minus root 15 plus root 15 is equal to 0, and 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So these two values of x satisfy the original equation. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more tutorials here.